If you have never experienced pancreatic pain, you may not even know exactly what the organ is or its importance in your body. The pancreas is a part of the digestive system and lies in the abdominal cavity behind the stomach. It plays an essential role in converting the food we eat into fuel for the body's cells. The pancreas has two main functions: an exocrine function that helps in digestion and an endocrine function that regulates blood sugar. Your pancreas is also responsible for producing many important hormones like insulin, polypeptides, somatostatin, and glucagon. Pancreatitis is the inflammation of the pancreas that results in severe pain, fever, and diarrhea. Health of this organ is vital for overall health. The following foods are best known to keep the pancreas healthy. Number 1. Turmeric. Turmeric is an effective herb for reducing pain and inflammation in the pancreas. Turmeric is often referred to as a natural anti-inflammatory agent that helps to decrease pain caused by the burning sensation in our pancreas. Not only that, it also stimulates the production of insulin in the pancreas that regulates our body sugar levels and prevents diabetes. Number 2. Spinach. Spinach and other leafy greens such as kale and Swiss chard lower the risk of pancreatic cancer. Adding them to your diet can protect your pancreas while supplying your body with B vitamins and iron. Enriched with vitamin B and iron, spinach fulfills the basic needs of your pancreas. The iron helps to prevent inflammation and the vitamin B nourishes the pancreas. Spinach is loaded with a cancer-fighting agent called MGDG, monogalactosyl diacyl glycerol, that can reduce the chances of getting pancreatic cancer. Number 3. Yogurt. Yogurt contains active cultures that protect the pancreas and lower the risk of pancreatic cancer. Choose Greek yogurt to keep fat and sugar content low, while maintaining high protein intake. Number 4. Red grapes. Red grapes are rich in resveratrol, a potent antioxidant compound that helps in protecting the pancreas cells from the free radical-induced damage. Consuming red grapes seems to help in minimizing the risk of pancreatic cancer. Number 5. Blueberries. Blueberries are another antioxidant-rich food that is good for the health of the pancreas. By neutralizing the free radicals, they help the pancreas to carry out its normal functions. Furthermore, blueberries contain silicon that helps in rejuvenating the pancreatic cells. Blueberries are also known to help in stimulating the pancreas to increase insulin secretion in diabetics. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic is a natural antibiotic that helps in stimulating the pancreas. It helps the pancreas in improving production of digestive enzymes and insulin. It is especially beneficial for people with diabetes. It helps in promoting insulin secretion and blocking activities of chemicals that impair the insulin-producing function of the pancreas. Consuming a high garlic diet may reduce your chances of getting pancreatic cancer by up to 54%. Number 7. Brussels sprout. Brussels sprout help in rejuvenating the pancreas. It is considered beneficial for people suffering from pancreatitis. The anti-inflammatory property of Brussels sprouts help in reducing inflammation of the pancreas and restoring its normal functions. It also seems to help in lowering risk of pancreatic cancer. Number 8. Mushrooms. An extract from medicinal mushrooms has been shown to inhibit the growth of pancreatic cancer cells. Mushrooms are a good source of fiber, selenium, potassium, and vitamin D2, with very few calories, good both cooked and raw. Number 9. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes shaped eerily like a pancreas. Sweet potato provides protection for the pancreas, releasing sugars gradually into the body, thereby not putting undue stress on the digestive system. Number 10. Broccoli. Broccoli contains compounds that help to eliminate carcinogenic toxins, the cancer-causing agents, and can prevent DNA mutation. Broccoli sprouts are especially rich in cancer-fighting compounds. Broccoli contains a type of flavonoid, apigenin, which protects pancreatic tissue. Number 11. Oregano. Oregano is a herb which is popular for the unique taste it gives to our food. Loaded with phenolic antioxidants, it is effective medication for the oxidation caused by diabetes. Oregano is a powerful anti-hyperglycemic herb that prevents the insulin-producing organ from any damage. Number 12. Dandelion. The properties of the dandelion root are popular for treating cancer. For your pancreas, this root acts as an effective treatment for the aggressive cancer cells. This is very beneficial for people who are resistant to other cancer treatments. Drinking dandelion tea can help flush out toxins from the intestines and can heal the damaged pancreatic tissues. Number 13. Tofu. Tofu is high in low-fat proteins. It promotes better recovery of your digestive tract and protects your pancreas from damage.